Good morning, everyone. Today we are starting from question number 8. Is an alloy consists of 30% copper, 40% zinc, and the remaining is nickel. Find the amount of nickel in 20 kilogram of the alloy. Okay. So see question number solution number 8. See, first of all, alloy consists of 30% copper and 40% zinc. Okay, now what you have to find the amount of nickel in 20 kilogram of alloy. Okay, so out of 100% you have to subtract 30% and 40%. So therefore 100% minus 30% minus 40%, how much it will become? 100 minus 30, it will become your 70. 70 minus 40, 30%. Now what you have to find? 30% of copper in 20 kilogram of the amount of nickel in 20 kilogram of oil alloy. So 30 by 100, 30% हमारा हो गया 30% into 20 kilogram. So we'll divide 3 to just 6 kg of alloy you will get here. Okay, now see question number 9. So this is question number 5. Now see question number 6. 40% of the population of a town are men. See how many men are there in the total population, that is 40%. 35% are women and the remaining are children. If the number of children is 28,000, what is the total population of the town? So now see, you have to find out the population of children, because it is not given here in percentage, only the number of children is given here 28,000, and percentage of men is 40% and percentage of women is 35%. See question number 6. So percentage of children, it is not given here, you have to find it. It is 100 minus 40% of men, 35% of women. ये हो जाएगा आपका 100 minus 75, that is 25% of children here. Now see, given 25 by 100 into x is equal to 28,000, that is the number of children given here. 25% क्या था हमने जो निकाला, ये चिल्ड्रंस का था, और एक सम एज्यूम करेंगे बिकॉज वी डोंट नो द परसेंटेज ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. नो सी, x is equal to 28,000 multiplied by 100, 25. It will become here, आप किसको मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, 0 0 0. This is the total population. Okay, now see question number 7. See, Jagdish receives rupees 24,000 as his monthly salary. If he spends 20% of it as house rent, what is his house rent? He donates 7,200 on education of underprivileged children. What percent of his salary is he denoting? So see, question number 7. First of all, write what is the house rent given here. House rent, that is 20% of what is his monthly salary, that is 24,000. तो ये हो जाएगा 20/100 इंटू 24,000, ये हो गया 48,300. ठीक है. इफ नाउ सी, लेट ही donates X% of his salary, तो ये हो जाएगा X% of 24,000 is equal to 7,200. It is already given in the question. Now see, X/100 into 24,000 is equal to 7,200. X is equal to, अब आप डायरेक्टली इसको यहाँ से डिवाइड कर दीजिए तो ये हो जाएगा डिवाइड बाई 240. इसको आप 4 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए. 4 6 = 24, 4 1 = 4, रिमाइंडर 3, 8 0 क्या 30. X is equal to 30%. Therefore, how much does he donates? That is 30% of his salary. Okay. So from question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So solve up to question number 7, and remaining questions that I will solve, you try to solve in your rough copy. Don't solve in your classwork copy. Okay. Remaining questions I will solve. Okay. Thank you.